how to use Cash App savings account features. So for that, what you're going to do is, first of all, make sure you are logged into your account. Then from here, you'll be able to see this as the first page. So in here, tap on the savings option right here. After tapping on savings option here, you can see there are a lot of things that you'll be able to do. First of all, what we need to do is simply tap on transfer in and transfer the money in your savings account. After doing that, if you want to set a goal, you can simply tap on set a goal and go along with the process of how you will be able to set your goal for your Cash App savings account. You can also do roundups, and in here you will be able to see all of your savings account activity right here. And if you ever want to transfer out all of the money, all you need to do is simply tap on transfer out, and this is how you will be able to use Cash App savings account feature. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys do have any queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.